Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Washington County and southwest Pennsylvania, northwestern Fayette County and southwest Pennsylvania, southwestern Westmoreland County and southwest Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 4:05 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain from a cluster of thunderstorms near Belle Vernon and across southeast Washington County, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Radar estimates that 1 to 2 inches of rain an hour may be falling from these slow-moving thunderstorms. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. Most flood-related deaths occur in automobiles, so do not cross water-covered bridges, dips, or low water crossings. Never try to cross a flowing stream, even a small one, on foot. Move up to higher ground. Please report high water to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. This is no weather.